It's a budget brand, but are Bulldog's Energizing Sheet Masks any good? Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this new video. Now, we've done a lot on hair care, we've done some fragrance, but this week in the review, I want to talk about skincare. Now, Bulldog Skincare for Men are a brand that I really love. I think they're great for guys who are working to a certain budget, but also want really great performance in skincare. I've spoken a lot about, especially their products for oily skin. I absolutely love the moisturizer, I love the washes. I just think they're a solid British brand. And now they're going into sheet masks. This is their sheet mask launch, which is a type of face mask as part of their energizing range. Now in this review, I'm gonna go through what makes this special, the active ingredients, kind of what it's gonna do for your skin, the price, and if it's worth your money. Now guys, before I get going, if you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, and you like these sort of grooming reviews and also some style and lifestyle, then press subscribe right now. The button is just below this video. Now getting into the box, it's not what you'd expect of a face mask, which is normally like a cream or a clay, or like a traditional sheet mask. Now sheet masks are either sort of foil or they're something like a cloth, and they're infused with active ingredients to do something to our skin, hopefully to make it better. But with this, we've got the hydrator, so the liquid, as a separate from 8 dehydrated sheet masks. Now to use these, you take one of these dehydrated masks out of the tub, you pop it onto the lid, you add the hydrator, and you wait for it to fill up. And you stop with this until it's fully full. Now these are actually made from unbleached bamboo. Normally with sort of sheet masks, you'll see that they're a bright white color, but these have got a slightly off yellow brown, but that's just because they've kept them super clean. Also bamboo, it is sustainable, and they get it from a forest that they put straight back into. So you know that the products and the stuff you're using is all sustainable, it's all good for the environment. Then the fun bit, you get the mask, you pop it on your face, and you wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Now what's really different about these masks is that the bottom of the mask, as you'll see here, is perforated. So if you've got facial hair, you've got a beard, you've got a moustache, RIP for the moustache, then you rip that off. And it just means that we're not getting anything in here. If you have ever used face masks, sheet masks, that are kind of made for women, then you'll find that you've got this stuff that's just not sitting. But this is a men's skincare brand that are really thinking about us and our needs. Now looking into ingredients, I have listed absolutely everything on manfromself.com, so if you want to check it out more or maybe give your own review, then you can head there. Also there are more hair, grooming and body products there. Oh, also fragrance. So manfromself.com products are up there. But the key sort of ingredients in this are maize, rice and algae. Now for rice, it contains vitamin C and vitamin A to help minimize the damage from the sun and the environment. And the starch in rice can really help to reduce any inflammation in the skin. Now looking at maize, that's really high in vitamin E content, which again is a natural antioxidant. And then finally algae, which is another natural antioxidant to help protect the skin, but it also helps to hydrate it. I really enjoyed using these. I've used 3 of them, and I think the key thing really for me is how fresh your skin feels afterwards. You guys know, especially if you're living in a city, you are bombarded with so much. Your skin can feel dry, it can feel coarse, but just by popping on a sheet mask can instantly sort of lighten you up. I also think there's definitely a placebo effect in that we're being told what it should do, and you've just got this instant sort of feeling of wellness, I'm gonna say. But I've really enjoyed using these. I think Bulldog is just a really solid brand that are really looking to us men and kind of what we need in our skincare. Also, the price point on this is impressive. The RRP for this, as ever guys, all the shops linked down below, is £12, but I've actually found somewhere already that's selling it for £9 linked. But £12 for 8 sheet masks is really solid, and it's not going to break the bank. So if you're a guy that's really looking to try out sort of more in skincare, especially face masks and sheet masks, I think this is a great starting point. Also really good for all skin types. There's nothing corrosive there. There's nothing that's really going to draw anything out. It's not going to dry your skin. It's just a feel-good mask. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. If you have used these or anything else in the Bulldog skincare line, maybe other sheet masks, then let me know down below. And also head to Man for Himself products pages and leave me your own review. But thank you again. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit it. Hit it right now. The button is just there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them, or head to the products pages there. My social, including Instagram, up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.